more news coming in. This is an India Today exclusive. BJP MP gives a 1984 bag to Priyanka Gandhi Vadra. After Priyanka Gandhi's Palestine and Bangladesh bags that she was flaunting in Parliament, the MP in question here has gifted a bag with 1984 written on it, referring to the anti-Sikh riots in the country. BJP's 1984 riot jibe at the Congress, where that bag has been gifted to Priyanka Gandhi Vadra. Listening to Aparajita Sarangi on gifting this bag to Priyanka Gandhi.
मैम, इस बैग को लेकर आप लोग आए, क्या कारण?
देखिए, विभिन्न तरह के फैशनेबल बैग्स को लेकर चलने की आदत सी बनी हुई है, तो हमें लगता है कि 1984 में जो दंगे हुए थे उसका भी बैग लेकर जाए तो अच्छा है.
Piyush is live with us for more details, getting in that exclusive report that he just did. That bag being gifted to Priyanka Gandhi Vadra, the BJP is jibe at the Wayanad MP as far as the 1984 anti-Sikh riots concerned, blaming the Congress for it.
Well, absolutely, Sneha. What we are now seeing in Parliament is that the BJP MPs led by Aparajita Sarangi have gifted a bag to Priyanka Gandhi Vadra on which 1984 was written, and the BJP through this is trying to remind the Congress party of 1984 anti-Sikh riots. So at one side we have seen how Priyanka Gandhi carrying a bag on which Palestine and Hindu rights. She has also carried a bag on which it was written that she is there for the protecting of Hindu rights in Bangladesh. So these two bags Priyanka Gandhi was seen carrying, and today the BJP has responded to Priyanka Gandhi in a unique manner by gifting a bag on which 1984 was written, and there was some other things also those were gifted. So it's a unique way of protest of BJP, where BJP MPs led by Aparajita Sarangi have gifted a bag to Priyanka Gandhi. We have also
okay, Piyush, I'll just come back to you in a moment from now. You sent us that report. Let's take a look at those pictures. On your screen, the bag that was gifted by MP Aparajita Sarangi to Priyanka Gandhi Vadra. She quickly gives it to her in Parliament complex, as you can see. And I think Priyanka Gandhi was unsuspecting at that point in time and took the bag from Aparajita Sarangi. As you can see in those pictures, walks away with the bag, not knowing which bag has been given to her by the MP, or not even taking a look at who had given that bag, perhaps. It looks like she's busy in a conversation with the others, walking into the Parliament complex, is what it appears. And the MP gives the bag and moves away. The MP in the red coat that you see on your screens right now hands the bag over and then walks away. The bag has got 1984 written on it, as you can see in these pictures. The BJP there taking a jibe against the Congress there. Now on the left side of your screens are pictures from earlier where Priyanka Gandhi Vadra had carried the bag, sending out a message. It had Palestine written on it, drawing the ire of the BJP that had asked her, what about Israel? What about Bangladesh and what about the Hindus? The very next day, Priyanka Gandhi Vadra carried a bag which read Bangladesh and support for Hindu minorities in Bangladesh. Today, a bag has been gifted to Priyanka Gandhi, but it looks like she was caught unawares. Let's listen in to the MP Aparajita Sarangi, who gifted her the bag once again.
मैम, इस बैग को लेकर आप लोग आए, क्या कारण?
देखिए, विभिन्न तरह के फैशनेबल बैग्स को लेकर चलने की आदत सी बनी हुई है, तो हमें लगता है कि 1984 में जो दंगे हुए थे उसका भी बैग लेकर जाए तो अच्छा है।